Today is Thursday, August 4th, 2022. It is also day 29 of SQL. And recently I've been trying to come up with scenarios in which I can use two databases and subqueries, to practice subqueries. And the case scenario that I came up with today was that my sister and I want to go on vacation. And I have my own database of vacation spots that I want to visit, and she has her own database of vacation spots that she wants to visit. And we both kind of agreed upon the idea that I'm going to filter out all of the vacation spots from my database that are not in her database, so that we could only, decide upon vacation spots that we're both interested in. So I'll start by creating my database. So I'll do create table, and I'll call it my vacation spots. I guess we'll do a long name. My vacation spots, not sports spots. And then I'll put in the parentheses are going to be my column names. So the first one is ID. This is it's going to be an integer data type, and it's going to be a primary key. So integer means it's going to be a number. Primary key is basically telling SQL that this is not just any column, it's the primary key, it's the identifier. So each of my vacation spots is going to be identified by SQL, and it's going to be automatic because I put in the statement here, auto increment, meaning SQL is going to automatically add an identifier to all of my vacation spots that I add. The next one is I'll just write the spot, and this is going to be data type text. So now in order to insert a spot, I'll do insert into I probably should put that as capital. So my vacation spots, and then the following columns that I want to insert, and that's only going to be spot because again ID is already automatically included, and then the following values, and I'll just put in, I don't know, Maui would be 1. And then in order to see that first vacation spot or my database, I can select everything from my vacation spots, and I'll be able to see my database right here. All right, now let me create her database. So create table, and it'll be like her vacation spots. And I'll put in again, same thing, ID. It's going to be a data type integer because it's going to be a number, primary key, so it's a special column, and it's going to automatically add itself to all of my vacation spots. So clearly this is the ID, it automatically adds itself. So auto increment, and then the second one is spot, and it's going to be text. All right, and then I'll insert into her vacation. So this is my sister's vacation spots, and I'll put in the columns that I want to insert, so it's spot and then the values, and then maybe she wants to visit the Dominican Republic. All right, and then in order to see her database, I'll select everything from her vacation spots. Okay, so the first one is my database, the second one is her database. Now I'll just go to this, I don't know, I just searched up random vacation spots. So I'm just gonna copy a few of them and kind of change them here. Let me just add a few more inserts into my database. All right, so maybe to kind of put the example short, I'll just do 3 vacation spots, and I'll do maybe this one, and maybe just Paris. And then for my sister's vacation spots that she wants to go to, maybe we both want to go to, maybe I'll put another one in there, maybe London or Dominican Republic for me. And then let's see, maybe my sister would want to go to the Dominican Republic. Maybe she wants to go to Rome. So that could be a space or a spot. And then maybe she also wants to go to Maui as well. And maybe she wants to go to Barcelona. All right, so these are the databases right to the right. So the first one, right, I want to go to Maui, the South Island, New Zealand, Paris, and Dominican Republic. That's what I'm interested in going. And then my sister is interested in going to Maui, Rome, Dominican Republic, and Barcelona. So I want to filter out my database, right? I want to filter out the spots that are not in her database. So first of all, I'll select all the spots that are in her database. So select everything from um, her vacation spots, but specifically I want to select all the spots. So I'll select the spots from her vacation spots, and then I'll go to my database and I'll be like, okay, select the spots from my vacation spots where inside the column spot in my vacation spots is the following, or actually where inside my vacation spot column is not the following, because I don't want her vacation spots there. And so for me, those are South Island, New Zealand, and Paris. Those are basically for my vacation spots. Those are the ones were that I'm interested in, but she's not interested in. But I want the ones that she is interested in, so I'll do in. And so now I know that we're both interested in going to Maui and Dominican Republic. And now, because I know that, I'll talk to her about it and be like, okay, so we need to decide between Maui and Dominican Republic because we're both interested in those, and then we'll discuss on from there. So that's kind of the case scenario that I wanted to do today. Um, okay, let's see, what do I think about? Is there anything else I could do? Maybe I should practice like the reasons. So let me put in, actually, no, I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't want it to get too complicated. I said that yesterday too. I don't think this would be a good case scenario to use a like operator, but maybe some other day. All right, so that's it for today then. Bye.